Hey sweet friends, welcome back and Happy New Year. I hope you're having a wonderful 2022 so far. I know it has been a crazy couple of weeks with Christmas and the holidays and we've been traveling, but we're back home now and I've taken the last few days to get all my Christmas decor down, really let the house breathe, work on some cleaning and organizing projects. And today I'm excited because we are redecorating my house after Christmas. So if you're excited to see some decorating ideas, be sure to give this a thumbs up and let's go ahead and get decorating. There's nothing like a fresh start to the new year, like taking all your Christmas decor down and giving a space a deep clean and then redecorating it and making it feel like home. I always love it this time of year. I love a fresh start, and sometimes it's fun to just kind of take everything down and redecorate. So that's what I'm doing today. Starting here with the hutch, I am just adding some assorted pitchers and platters and white dishes. I really love the pops of white against the black here on my hutch, and I really wanted to go for a minimal but still really cozy and homey feel here in my dining room. The dining room is definitely one of my favorite spaces to decorate in my home. It's a space that we spend a lot of time in, and it's definitely a focal point in the main living. So I wanted everything to feel really put together, but not too cluttered. I still wanted the space to really feel fresh and minimal. I found the cutest rosemary topiary at Target the other day. I think it's from the Studio McGee line. I love how realistic it looks, and it just adds a really pretty pop of green here on the hutch. And then I'm not totally sold on this yet, but I did add some baskets to the top of my hutch just to kind of add some height and dimension to the space. We'll see. I feel like I need more baskets that look like the center basket, but for now it works. And for the center of my dining table, I have this vintage crock. You've probably seen it if you've been around my channel. And I found these florals at Hobby Lobby. I just picked them up the other day. They're nice and fresh and give so much life to the space, and they're really pretty on the center of the table. I know sometimes taking all of the winter decor down can ruffle some feathers, and not everybody likes that. But for me personally, if I've learned anything over the last few years, especially since moving back to Ohio, where the winters are long and dreary, I need a space to feel bright and cheery and happy and full of life to really thrive in the winter months. I am somebody that's really affected by the weather, and so I need to make sure that I leave my blinds open and curtains open, and that I get as much natural light as possible, and that I decorate with fresh, bright greens and just keep the space feeling lively and happy and cheery. This corner is where the Christmas tree was, and it was looking pretty bare, so I added this cute little table from Lowe's, and I had this sitting in the mudroom before, but I just moved it in here, gave it a quick wipe down, added another lamp for some cozy lighting. I set all of my light bulbs on a timer, that way they turn on before it gets too dark outside, and that way we always have a cozy lighting. But next to the lamp, I'm just adding a pitcher, a little tea towel, and some flowers, and the space looks so fresh and cute and cozy. And I also added a little candle as well. One of my New Year's resolutions is to implement healthy, sustainable habits into my day-to-day life, including my laundry routine. I started using Grove Co. laundry products and I'm absolutely loving them because they have my clothes feeling clean and smelling fresh, not to mention their plastic-free packaging. Change up your laundry routine this year and go sustainable with Grove Co. laundry. If you've been around my channel for any length of time, then you've heard me rave about Grove Collaborative, which if you don't know, they help you to live sustainably without compromising the quality of your products. Grove Collaborative carefully creates and curates the brands that we want in our own home, so you never have to choose between doing good and feeling good. I'm always so excited to share Grove Collaborative with you guys. I truly love their products. I've used them for years. And today I wanted to share some laundry products with you that I have been loving recently. Some of these are tried and true things that I've used for a long time, but more recently I have started using their Wrinkle Release Spray, which is great. There we go. Which is great for somebody like me because I don't iron and I can spray this on a shirt or a blouse, pop it in the dryer, and it works like a charm. Also, the stain remover spray. I love this because there aren't any harsh chemicals and it's safe to use on the kids' clothes. Just the other day, actually, I was using this on Graham's shirt because he spilled spaghetti sauce all over it and I was amazed at how well it works. But these are the Grove Co. Power Clean Laundry Detergent Sheets, which I know sounds a little bit different. I had never used them before, but they are so cool. This is how small they are, so nice small packaging. See here, they almost look like a dryer sheet, but they are detergent sheets. And you put them in the wash with your clothes and they instantly dissolve in the water, which is super, super cool. They're pre-measured. They use lower water and carbon footprint, which offers a more sustainable alternative to traditional liquid detergents and pods. Plus the box is really small, so I don't have any big bulky plastic containers taking up space on my dryer top or in the landfill. So these are really, really cool. I've been using them now for a few weeks and I love them. These are just the Grove Co. wool dryer balls. These have been a staple in my house for a long time and I love throwing them in with a load in the dryer. It cuts dry time down and you can put essential oils on these and it helps your clothes to smell amazing. And then I also have a little Grove caddy here. I have probably 4 or 5 of these at this point. They are just great to store products or tote around cleaning supplies. They're the best. I've been loving it. I'm loving Grove Co. laundry products because they're made with no harsh chemicals and they're 100% natural fragrances. They have 50% more stain removal power. They leave clothes looking newer and smelling fresher longer, and they come in plastic-free packaging. So start the new year off feeling amazing like a fresh load of laundry with Grove Co. laundry products that are tough on stains and kind to the planet. Let's commit to fresh clothes and a fresh planet in 2022 by checking out the link in my description today. And thanks Grove Collaborative for sponsoring today's video. And now moving on to the living room. This secretary desk was in my office previously and I had Caleb move it out here. Once we took the Christmas tree down, we had another tree sitting here and this adds so much warmth to the space. I'm really enjoying it so far. I already had it decorated in the office, so once Caleb moved it, I was able to put everything back where it went. I just have some assorted books and knickknacks and different things. I did also pull out the desk part of, I don't know what you call that, the shelf or desk part of the secretary, and I'm just gonna place a little topiary plant on there just for a little pop of green. I got this plaid chair at Kirkland's and I decided to add it to my sitting area to create more of a conversation room, or conversation area, I should say. And I am loving it. It really does round out this space and it makes the space feel more complete. And I have added a few striped pillows. I like to keep things neutral as always. And here on the ottoman, I have a large crock and I'm filling it with these stems. They are new. They're from the Hearth and Hand line at Target and they are such a pretty green. I love how realistic they look, such a pretty texture, and they just give a lot of life to the space. I was really excited to decorate my piano area today. This area has become one of my favorite spots to decorate in the house, and I wanted to keep things really, really simple. I have these candlesticks here. They're from the Mud Pie brand, and I decided to put real candles on top. I just kept the labels facing away so that it didn't look too busy, but I was able to light those and that created such a cozy atmosphere. I have a few books there and another plant, and again, just wanted everything to feel very fresh and simple. We decided, with it being winter and the kids inside more, that we would sort of rearrange the office to accommodate some more toy storage and play space. So I added this buffet from Facebook Marketplace and filled it with kids' toys. I had got it all organized, pushed my desk against the wall, and just created more of a floor play area. On the wall here above my desk, I added a chalkboard with a pretty wreath that is from Magnolia Home, and then on either side of the chalkboard, I just added some vintage frames that I've collected over the years. I'm definitely going to share some more spaces as we make our way through January. This time of year, I'm always reorganizing and redecorating, and there's nothing I love more than making our house feel like home. I can't believe we're coming up on our 1-year anniversary in this house, which is so crazy, and I can't believe it. But I hope that you enjoyed today's video. I hope that I gave you some decorating ideas and encouragement for after Christmas, for the winter months, and that if anything, it gave you a little encouragement and inspiration for your day. If you did like today's video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. That really helps my channel out, and I really appreciate all of you for doing that. And make sure you check out the Grove link in my description. You're gonna love those products that I mentioned earlier in the video, and I will see you guys very soon in my next one. Bye.